Hey everyone, and welcome to another movie about Bitcoin news. Near the end of the weekly candle, Bitcoin has moved up a little, but that's mostly just noise. There hasn't been a big breakout to the rise or anything else important. With just a little push up, we're getting close to the 55K level and have broken above the first resistance, so I've made a few changes to the chart. Before the breakout, it was already clear. I think I sent out a warning on Discord just in time. Once more, though, it only works at the tiny level. There was no real change. That was right before the move up, which I have marked here at 11 p.m. Because of the three wave slowdown we saw over the weekend, there was a good chance that the weekend high would be broken in the smaller structures. In fact, it happened, I don't know, 10 minutes later. Possibly changing this into a diagonal like in the blue case. That's the blue number you see here, but I've changed this to yellow now, and because of the break above the weekend high, the yellow count is now blue, or the blue count is now yellow, which is the best case situation. Now it looks like it has changed from a downward urge to a downward diagonal pattern, which is also what I am looking at on the Ethereum chart. Anyway, if you looked at the Ethereum picture from earlier today, you already know that Ethereum's going up a little right now. But don't take this as really bullish as a whole. I talked a lot about the bullish chance today in the videos. If the bulls come back, they should do it from here. But I need to see this before I can really think of the bullish choice as the best one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 waves that break above 57 are what I need to see. We already talked about that in the last video, so it shouldn't be anything new. I made it clear what I need to see in order to think about more bullish choices. They are correct and show up on the chart, but I need to see the first 5 waves go up first. Now it changed from a downward drive to what looked like a diagonal pattern. Once more, that's not a hopeful sign. Also, a 3-wave rise above 57 doesn't always mean the market is going up. It needs 5 waves to work. As long as the price stays above 57K, we can add the full wave count for the white situation to the chart. I think it's still too early for that. On the whole, not much change. Yes, but it changed from what looked like an urge to a diagonal. How does that work? That's right. Let me change the wave here. This time it will be diagonal. You already know that this is a B wave top. At the top of August 25th, then we then said, okay, we have a wave 1 going down and a wave 2 going up. The first move down was also a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move. There were 3 waves in wave A, and we are now moving up to wave B. After that, AC wave could come down. If it's only a 3-wave move up, I'm okay with this. Then there would be a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 to the downside. That's 1, 2, A, B, C, 3, 4, and 5. In the big picture, nothing changed. We've gone a little higher than what an impulse on the 15 to 30-minute charts would allow. However, the trend is still being held back because this trend line broke above it. Could be bullish in the short run. We pay attention to this, and if we look at the small structures, it's clear that the price was turned down at the trend line. It doesn't have to push high if it does. Again, this is just a corrective really that could end at any time. But if it's the C wave, it should hit 55,950, which it hasn't done for too long. That would be the best thing to do. Let's say the goal for a wave at C. It doesn't have to though. It's not like a base goal. Okay, I'm still moving towards the yellow count, but I'm keeping an eye out for a possible short-term rise. It could be a wake or a fake out above the trend line, and then the price will go down. If the price falls below 53,700, it could be thought of as the weekend low. Now that would be a very strong sign that circle to the downside has begun. And if the circle C keeps growing, it might lead us to wave B. It's hard to say because we don't have a top yet, but let's say wave B goes a little higher, maybe to 56K, and then circle C goes down. Yes, so we should be able to get to 49,340. That being said, it should still get us down to that mid 40 range in the end. Right now, we've only seen a small push above the original resistance, but I'd call that noise, say meaningless volatility, because it might only matter to you if you're short futures with a lot of borrowed money. But until we see a 5-wave move up above 57, still not directly strong. That's all the news about Bitcoin. I hope you like the news. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Also, if you like the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.